Hello again.
Hello.
So it doesn't seem that long, does it? 6 months or so since we were here last time talking about Kerv's third birthday.
Which is fantastic. As we said at the time, we're here again, not to talk about birthday.
We're not really here to talk about a birthday because Kerv is 3.5 years old now, but it is a birthday day, you may have forgotten. Happy birthday to you this very day.
Yeah, no, I am a little old, but I did remember.
You are a little old. You're somewhere within that sort of 30 to 70 range.
Yeah.
Anyway, happy birthday to you.
Thank you very much.
We're not mainly here to talk about your birthday, as happy a day as that is. And perhaps now's the time to reveal we've just received investment from Bridgepoint, who are probably one of the best known private equity firms in Europe. Perhaps even more importantly than that, one of the PE houses with a fantastic reputation for backing management teams with values like ours. So it's not just about the money. I mean, it's taken us a while to get to know them, hasn't it?
So it was really important to us to have a backer that really aligned with our values in terms of the employee experience and customer engagement that has fueled our success. And Bridgepoint certainly are that. You know, big on sustainability as well, and that agenda that we've got in terms of giving back to society and the planet. You know, I think they are in the minority in terms of private equity firms that really are wired that way, but really pleased that they are, and we've ended up with them as our investor.
And I think everybody's been involved in them, and it has been it's been a near 12-month process getting to know them, and a few people in the business have been through the mill as we sort of go through that sort of analysis. But the more we've got to know them, I think we've built up that level of trust that they're going to be the right partner for us for the years ahead. And it's not just on the equity side as well. Got a new banking partner to support our growth.
Yep. So Apera are now our bankers in terms of providing debt to fuel our M&A, continued M&A, which we'll carry on doing in the way that we've done it before. So again, that gives us extra ability to keep scaling the business. The idea is to just get bigger and carry on doing things the way that we're doing them, be innovative and adapt and take advantage of some of those opportunities that we talked about. So AI is a classic. We're seeing loads of interest in that, and we want to invest in that so we can capitalise on it. So all of those facilities will just help us do that.
And what I guess people are wondering what's going to change, what's going to stay the same.
Well, it can be unnerving. I mean, is anything going to change? And I think the answer is fundamentally not really. That's part of the selection process we went through, is to get a backer that really aligns with how we're doing things and has the same values and the same thought process of long-term growth is the thing that we're after. I mean, our organic growth still remains above 30%, which is industry leading. So having investors that back us in what we're doing and the approach and can sustain that is fantastic. So I think there's nothing that we're going to change in terms of the way we run the business necessarily, but we'll still adapt as we do now. You know, that's not going to change the way we approach it. So people shouldn't worry. There's not going to be any cost cutting or synergies or anything like that, which is, again, we've been saying that since day one, and we've just not done any, and we don't need to do any.
So the new investment definitely allows us to continue with our acquisition plan. Yes, it'll be cautious. It'll be the right size companies at the right time. We're not about to rush into that, but it will bring new opportunities for everybody in the group, I think, as we go and do some of those acquisitions.
New investment, big achievement. Who's going to benefit from that?
I think in our mission statement, we talk about people, our customers, society and the planet. I think securing this investment, thinking for the next few years, I think they're all going to benefit. So it's a really big news day. We're announcing a really big investment, which sets us up for the next few years at Kerv. It's also a big news day for you in your ripe old age, which won't be revealed today. Which are you most excited about?
Probably the investment, to be honest. When you get to my age, as you've just pointed out, I've had a few birthdays, so very experienced at that. And actually, I was just trying to keep it quiet because I didn't want to buy that many donuts for everybody.
I don't think anybody's going to be watching this video anyway, so don't worry.
Right.
And to be honest, if I was your age, I'd be keeping it quiet as well.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Well, that will come fairly soon.